Hello, my name is Lawrence Wetzel, and I'm a solution consultant at Beyond 20. Today I would like to talk about how to edit the features of Cherwell's mobile client. The first thing we're going to need to do is to open up the admin tool. And as you can see, there's a browser and mobile settings here in the middle, as well as on the left side under categories. So let's go ahead and left click on browser and mobile. And then let's left click on edit mobile configuration. It's important to keep in mind that the majority of the edits made to the mobile client aren't done in a blueprint, so you need to be extra careful because you won't have the rollback feature. And as you can see here, the mobile configuration is broken down by a role, so if you want your service desk managers having access to different objects and dashboards than your service desk employees, then you can easily customize that for your mobile client. But I just have all of mine pointing to the default role here. So let's go ahead and edit the default role so you can take a look. And yeah, the mobile access setup has two sections, the dashboards and the objects that are displayed. So let's go ahead and edit the home page dashboard by clicking on this button. And here you can add new dashboards or edit the existing dashboards. The mobile dashboards don't have the design features that a regular dashboard does. Instead, you will just select the theme as well as the widgets you want to display on the dashboard, and the client does the rest. So once you have defined which widgets you want to show on your dashboard and the theme, go ahead and hit OK. Hit OK. And just make sure you select it as either the home page or alert page, whatever you want that to be. And now we want to define which objects are going to display on your mobile device. So out of the box, there's quite a few, but they can be removed, as you can see here, or added. So let's go ahead and add a problem. We'll call it problem. And now you can see that there's actions here. These actions are essentially just one steps that will show up with your problem here. So when you look at the problem object in the mobile client, you also will see the one steps that are associated with it. And you can add or edit these one steps here as well. So once we have defined the widgets that you want on your mobile dashboards and also the objects that will display in the client, let's go ahead and left click on OK. And let's left click on OK. And now that we've taken care of the majority of the editing for the mobile client, we still have one last thing to do. We're going to want to edit which fields are actually going to display within that object. So now that we define the object for the mobile client, let's go ahead and left click on create a blueprint. And one of those objects that we said had access to the mobile client was incident. So if you left click on incident, you'll see on the right side here you have an edit mobile form. Now this is not going to look like a normal form. As you can see here, it just displays the parent object and a couple of the child objects here that incident has, and you can add more child objects or take away child objects if you want. And now this is within a blueprint, so if you make a mistake you can roll back. But now let's go ahead and edit the incident, and you'll see that this form is simply defining which fields are going to show up on your mobile client. So, and of course you can organize, you can structure them differently. So you can move the customer name to the very top right below the incident ID, and also throw in the customer phone number if that's desired. Just since you're on the mobile client, it could be a quick way to give them a call here. There we go. So once you define the objects that the mobile client has outside of a blueprint, within the blueprint, you're going to edit the fields that are displayed. So let's go ahead and left click on OK. And you can customize this as well for the task that display for the incident, and the resolution notes, and etc. Anything that's in here you can edit. And that is the overview of how to edit the features located within the mobile client. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.